guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the brick insects in Heartopia. So you'll need to start the brick insect event. You'll find a Niwa at the deer tower and you're just going to start it. On the first phase you'll find the pink and blue brick damsel flies, and then on the second phase you'll find the yellow and the purple one, I think. And you are able to still catch it without the event, but if you want to get like a higher chance of getting like 5-star insects, you are going to want to start the event. But you are able to catch the like insect without the event, just like around the deer tower and the like forest area. But I do suggest you doing the event because it is a little bit easier to catch a lot at once, like in my opinion. So just join the event honestly and you'll find all of them in the insect catching event. So that is how you can do that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!